Hi, and welcome to the video. I was approached by the guys from Algolaser and asked if I would take a look at their laser engraver. They say this laser engraver is easy to use and no previous experience is required. So, as you can see, it all comes nicely packaged. Here's the box contents. It's worth mentioning, this model comes with an air assist pump. Another feature of this model is it comes with a built-in Wi-Fi. This is something that's not on many machines. Very easy to assemble, taking around about 20 minutes to build. The instructions are nice and clear, and there are plenty of pictures. All the tools are included in the kit, so you don't need to find anything in order to put it together. It also comes with a couple of spare laser lenses, which is also very handy. Updating the firmware is so easy. It can be done via the Wi-Fi or via a USB stick. You can control the engraver using a built-in 3.5-inch LCD screen. You can see the screen is very responsive. The enclosure is an optional extra. The fans, etc. can be controlled from here. The air pump can be controlled from here. You also have a separate control attached to the pump. Settings, you have various options. You can run a self-test. It will run through a series of tests to make sure the machine is okay. There's a nice selection of languages available. You can control the USB transfer. This disables the USB stick port and allows a direct connection to your computer. The laser engraver comes complete with a number of pre-installed samples. Initially out of the box, it has 9. But after updating, this jumps to 56. There are a number of test files. This will come in handy when you're controlling it via your PC. On the SD card, which is built in, there are more sample files for engraving. You can also connect a USB drive with your own files to cut or engrave. Let's select a file and see how easy this is to use. The engraver has a large selection of pre-configured settings for lots of materials. Here you can see a list of the materials. Now the beauty of this is you don't have to run lots of tests to figure out what are the best settings to use. It's all been done for you. I've got an old slate here, so all I need to do is select it from the list. Decide which option I want for darkness and crispness. The machine will now select the speed and power of the laser. You can adjust the settings if you wish. Now all you need to do is select the size and position that you would like to engrave. You can check the position by using the framing button. Not happy with the position? You just have to adjust it. Now before we start engraving, we need to ensure the laser will be focused correctly. The process is so easy with this machine. Normally you would need to unscrew a couple of screws, but this lever makes this so much easier. Now away we go. Speeded this up, but the engraver is definitely quicker than my other machine. Here's the results on the slate. Just a few clicks, no test runs, no wasted materials. I'm quite impressed. Here's the paper. Again, no test runs, perfect first time. Nice Christmas design that was included as one of the projects. Again, one click and away it goes. Let's take a look at some of the safety features. There is an emergency stop. One feature of this machine is the ability to recover a job. No having to start all over again. Accidentally bump or tilt the machine? Not a problem, it cuts out. A number of machines on the market would continue to run. This machine also has a child lock, so you can lock the machine and it can't be activated. There's also an app available for your phone. You can control a laser directly from your phone. You can see here that the laser has cut. There are a number of designs available. The album will give you access to your photos on your phone. You can create text. Create jigsaws. Or draw your own designs. You can also control this engraver via your PC using software like Lightburn, the connection for which is USB to USB-C. I decided to test the engraver on a number of different tasks. Here you can see I'm doing a deep engrave. Not sure how well this shows up, but it's almost 3D. Also made several things from storage boxes to coasters. I engraved 3 coasters and finished them in various ways. 2 of which I did a slightly deeper engrave, one I filled with resin. Another I cut out some thin veneer using the laser to do some marquetry. Also taking the opportunity to start building some storage for the workshop. I'm impressed with how easy this engraver is to use. It's packed with features not available on many machines, and the results speak for themselves. I've put a link in the description if you would like to find out more. Well, thanks for watching.